Choose the folder level from which to perform the search. This also affects subfolders. In the search bar, type the name of the folder or document to search for. View all documents that have an incorrect file name or a missing tag BIM by searching in the selected folder and its subfolders. Access the filter menu and narrow down the view to only the documents contained in the selected folder. Choose to display only files. Only the possible subfolders. Filter the document files based on their extension. Filter and view documents that are consolidated or in edit mode. View only digitally signed documents. View only files that do not follow naming rules. View only documents that have missing tag BIM. Filter documents through the View Tag section. Choose whether to display disabled values. Open the source folder of the document or view the document.